Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Best Buy 4K TV. The first and the foremost step to purchase a TV that can display a 4K picture before going for a 4K TV, they are best to have. Not only that, but they also are compatible with regular resolution items and just work efficiently. 4K HDMI cable. There is debate on the topic whether or not you require a 4K HDMI cable, but most of the manufacturers suggest going for 4K compatible HDMI cable to optimize and tackle Ultra HD content. But if you are already using a 4K TV, you do not need to rush and buy one immediately. Internet speed. Streaming your best shows on 4K TV can consume more of your bandwidth than HD. Usually the bandwidth being consumed depends upon the number of devices attached to the broadband for the internet. Manufacturers recommend investing in it for higher internet speeds so that each and every device stays connected the whole time. List of Best Buy 4K TV. First one is Sony X800H. The best thing is at the best price under your budget and rich with all the equipped technology, it is best in performance. Philips 328 E1CA. It has a spectacular slim 4K UHD with adaptive sync speakers, VISA, etc. The sound is loud and super sharp even if it is the first entry-level speakers built in it. Toshiba TF55A810U21. This is the cheapest in the market, available with a screen of 55 inches of UHD support and 4K resolution to give you a Fire TV experience. You can play anything possible you need. TCL 43S425. It is a North American multinational company. It has come up with the brand new model 43S425 with natural aesthetic colors, wide viewing angles and deep detailed blacks is the best. LG OLED C9. It is a combination of vintage and new technology. The picture is a natural and well saturated, measured with an equal amount of contrast with OLED range. Hisense 65R85. The images are punchy and eye-popping, brilliantly blend with saturation and contrast. The picture displayed on the screen at 65 inches with Dolby Vision. It sounds significantly better than any other model manufactured by Panasonic. Next is Samsung QN55Q60RAFXZA. Enriched with all the equipped technology, it is the best in performance. You can stream your favorite series with 4K resolution, which provides impressive contrast-rich pictures including outstanding, stunning HDR performance. Next is the specification of Best Buy few models of few brands like Sony, Philips, Toshiba, TCL, LG, Hisense, Samsung, Hisense, Samsung, LG, Samsung, Panasonic. Last but not least, conclusion. To be honest, no TV is perfect. However, you can find one which is the best suited for you and your needs. Most of the mass is increasingly becoming available for 4K TV. Thus, you will need also be benefited after investing in it. Yes, it is worth every penny. Last but not the least, each and every product on the list is excellent choice sorted by professionals. Hopefully, we desire that you find one soon. At this point, it is cheaper, more prominent, slimmer and available plentifully with the right equipment to turn it on. We will be glad to hear from you. Your FAQs and constructive comments are immensely appreciated. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.